Enjoy the view of this 2022 Ford Transit. Take a closer look at this sleek and modern Transit. This comfortable, convenient wagon can seat between 2 and 15 passengers and offers a host of options to choose from, so you can adapt it perfectly to meet your needs. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, electronic stability control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, bucket seats, AM/FM stereo, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Don't miss the chance to experience the comfort and convenience of this specialized passenger and cargo hauler. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.